Welcome back to RPL Presents Full Steam Ahead. I'm Ashley Emiston from Westover Hills Library, and today I'll be showing you a fun and easy experiment about a process called chromatography. Chromatography is the separation of mixtures, and scientists use this process so that they can break down a mixture into all of its parts to better study it. In this case, we'll be looking at what goes into the ink making your markers. For this experiment, you need a few things. First, your markers. Any brand will do. You'll also need a coffee filter. I've gone ahead and cut mine into strips so it makes it a bit easier to work with. We'll also need a cup of water. A clear cup works best since you can see what's going on more easily, but anything you have is fine. You don't need too much water, just enough that we can put the bottom edge of the filter strips into it. Finally, you'll need something to protect your work surface. Let's get started. Here are our results. Now this process works largely thanks to our coffee filters. Coffee filters are very thin pieces of paper made of cellulose, which is what trees and plants are made out of. This allows it to pull water very easily through the filter, and the water in turn brings the ink from the marker up the filter. Now, because ink has a lot of different color pigments in it, this is why we're seeing so many different colors. Color pigments have different weights, which means they travel up different speeds through the coffee filter. So some, like the pink, end up down here, while others, like the blue, end up here. This separation allows us to see just how many colors go into making some of these inks. The most impressive, I think, is our black right here in the middle. You can see where we started and where we ended. And a lot of colors went into making this. We can see pink, we can see blue and green, we can also see some brown here in the middle. Now, as we can see, every color is different and has different color pigments in it. But different marker brands are made different ways as well. So you can do this project with a bunch of different markers and see what sort of different results you get. Thanks for tuning in. Join us again next week for another Full Steam Ahead video, and be sure to check out the rest of our videos right here on RPL's YouTube channel.